Okay, hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Anjali Raut Gill. I am Mrs. India West Zone winner. I am married to a Punjabi family in Chandigarh, originally from Bombay, and that's what gets me to Chandigarh, my in-laws. I am half Indian, half Russian, married to a Sikh. Basically it was known as Zoel Models Boot Camp. It was in Chennai and we were teaching aspiring models who are aiming to go for Miss India, Miss Diva, how to walk. So we are emphasizing on rank walk, personality development and on overall grooming for their personality so they can project themselves at various pageants.
Wow. What's about your brand Coco Berry?
Ministry of Talent. Yes, Coco Berry Ministry of Talent basically is a brand. We are a model school. We are based out in Mumbai and in Chandigarh. So we train aspiring talents who want to go for Miss India, Miss Diva and other pageants and who want to venture into modeling. This year from our academy we have 6 girls from 6 different states representing from our academy in Femina Miss India 2017. That's Jharkhand, Jammu and Kashmir, Chhattisgarh. We have Kerala and like in the sense you're talking about personality and the look. So obviously when we train and groom there is a part which reflects on the personality also, which is very important. That's when we focus on Q&A, introduction and all these modules in our in our course, because the walk will do the talking when you enter, but then the talk also has to do the talking. So that's where the entire module focuses on. My mom's from Russia and my dad's Indian Maharashtrian. So my dad had gone for his studies to Russia, that's where they met. So I'm mixed, married to a Sikh family.
What about Alicia? What is she doing?
Alicia, basically me and Alicia full-time got into mentoring of girls. So we are based in Bombay, as we know, the base is Bombay. And she's still modeling, she's still doing her fashion week, she's still doing her choreography and everything. So
Is she married as well?
she's gonna get married again this year in the month of November.
Who's the lucky guy?
Siddhant Suryavanshi.
Great to know that. How many kids do you have?
I have one daughter, she is 3 years old. Her name is Aksania Gill.
So do you want her to be a model as well?
Well, that's her individual choice. When she grows up, whatever her heart says and whatever she's best at, she'll be doing that.
That runs in the family.
That definitely runs in the family.
So does she do anything like sort of gestures in front of the
Yeah, she did walk with me as a showstopper for Kids India Runway Week in Bombay. So she has a little bit of my genes. So she has been walking the ramp, she has been shooting with me. So I think that comes very automatically when parents itself are exposed to the media. But she seems to be liking it, we're just taking it. We were never inclined towards movies because our passion is more towards runway and pageants. So we never really thought in that direction because modeling has a lot of aspects. It has runway, it has print, it has ads. So movies never was something that was
winner. Now you're going into the India pageant.
Yeah, so basically
in March.
Yeah, no. Basically, this is Mrs. India is a pageant that they are doing zonals this year. So they did the West, they did the North, they did the South as well. And now they'll have the Nationals in the month of July. 4th of July, we have the Nationals where we compete for Mrs. India World. So that's the most prestigious title right now, which was first with Maureen Wadia. Now it is with Dipali Phadnis. It's an entity of Dipali Phadnis. Yeah. It's like how Miss India World is, it is Mrs. India World.
And this is going to be held in Philippines.
Yeah, last year it was in Philippines. Every year they change the destination. It can either be the US, Philippines or China.
Not been decided yet.
It's not been decided yet. Around August, September we'll get to it.
And this again, July 4th event will be in Mumbai?
No, July 4th will be in Chennai because Dipali Phadnis originates from there. So she generally, on an average, we have 5 to 10 girls. If we have a boot camp, it's larger. If we are doing one-on-one, it's more of 5 girls because we believe in individual training. So we assign them slots throughout the day. So as I mentioned earlier, this year we have 6 beautiful finalists for Miss India this year from our academy, and 5 are competing for the West Zone. So we're expecting more this year.
Can we meet them in Chandigarh sometime?
Sure, definitely. Once they're in town, if they win, they'll definitely come all over the states to do their presentation. They're all from different states. So I have Kerala, I have Andhra Pradesh, I have Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Jammu and Kashmir as well. We have a contestant. Pardon me?
Where are you training them?
We are training them in Bombay because eventually from the 27th of May they are going for their training. So they'll eventually all come on the 24th onwards.
In Chandigarh you said you have a center of
Yes.
Cocoberry Talent Hunt or something like that.
Hanji. It's known as Cocoberry Ministry of Talent. We have it in Chandigarh, which caters the north market. So girls from Jammu, in fact the girl who's a finalist this year, I trained her 1.5 years back. So we try to bow the seeds because there's a lot of talent here, which eventually north is always known to give us winners for Times of India, yes.
So where to find that talent?
It's in Sector 2 Panchkula. Well, it depends what. If you're looking at pageants, the pageant module is different. If you're looking at runway, it's different. If you're looking at an overall perspective, I would say it's your height, it's your personality, your look, and also to figure out where you're belonging, whether you're more towards the prince, you're more towards the runway, or you're an overall package for everything.